Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have admin rights, because changing system UI requires them. Once done, open Settings, go to Personalization and then Taskbar. You will see Search Visibility options. Choose the search box or search icon. This step directly toggles the taskbar element back on. Make this change now so Windows can display the search UI. It's the simplest first action fix and prevents unnecessary deeper repairs later. If enabling search didn't immediately show the bar, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager to force a UI refresh. Once Explorer restarts, open Services and locate Windows Search. This service powers the bar and indexing. If it's stopped, set Startup to Automatic and start it. This ensures search processes run after reboots. These steps fix common runtime issues because the UI toggle can be ignored until the underlying. If previous steps fail, re-register search components using PowerShell as admin to repair corrupted app manifests. This restores broken taskbar integrations. Next, rebuild the index in Settings right arrow searching Windows so results and icons reappear correctly. Restart your PC after re-registering and rebuilding the index to finalize changes. Troubleshooting tip: if the search bar remains missing, repeat the PowerShell re-register step and confirm Windows Search Service is still set to automatic. Corruption or a disabled service is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.